Hey students, Mark Ferrier here, that's me. This video is going to go over Module 6. So for this module, it's going to be slightly different because we are nearing the end. So as you can see here, this is Module 6 down here, then we have Module 7. So typically you would do, if you followed the previous cadence, at the end would be your final draft, but actually because that draft for the argument with integrated research that you worked on in Module 5, it's a bit of a bigger project. The final version of that is actually going to be due in Module 7. So what we're doing in Module 6 is preparing an annotated bibliography to give you some additional sources so you can turn in that final draft in Module 7. So let's take a look here what we're going to do in Module 6. You want to make sure you click on those interactive readings, go through these readings, have a clear idea thinking about what are scholarly articles, scholarly sources, finding them using databases, and then how to evaluate those. And then lastly, an important link here, how to write that annotated bibliography. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do for this module is a reading review activity. That's the same as previous modules in terms of the basic structure of what you're going to do in terms of reading activity that asks you to focus and think about the readings. Then you're going to do an exercise for discussion 6A on information literacy. So watch the video here, follow those instructions, complete that assignment, and in 6B, you're going to start a draft of your argument with integrated research. Okay, so you are going to do a draft of that essay. And so once you've written that draft, you're going to post that. Let me go back down here. Let me take a step back. This is not the posted draft for discussion 6B. This is the integrated research draft peer review assignment. So here you're going to peer review your argument with integrated research draft essays that your classmates have posted. You're going to peer review those so that all of you have some peer review. That's 6B. You're going to take a look at the assignments that each other wrote and peer review. So that'll be 6B. And then you're going to end Module 6 with an annotated bibliography. So make sure you read the instructions. There's a link to it. Follow the instructions. Look at the video. And that's going to end Module 6, the annotated bibliography, which is going to give you a list of sources and that you can use those sources then to wrap things up in Module 7 coming up next, where you're going to turn in your final essay, that argument with integrated research essay. All right, so this has been a walkthrough of Module 6. If you have questions about this or anything else, let me know.